The next adjustment panel that we have available here is the page panel. Here we can configure a number of settings relevant to the overall look of our document. First, we can specify a new background color by placing a check mark in this checkbox and then double-clicking the color picker. From there, select the background color you'd like to use. We can also place a check mark in the identity plate checkbox, and what that will do is place the text of our identity plate on each row. At the moment, you can only see the text placed on one row, but if you want to place the identity plate text in each image, what you'll need to do is place a check mark in this box over here, render on every image. And I'm just going to increase the scale so you can see it a little bit better. Right now, because we have so many images, the text is quite small, so it's hard to see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take down the number of rows and columns. Okay, so that way we can just see the image a little bit better. If you want to edit your identity plate directly from this panel, you can. Just click on this little arrow here and then select Edit. And then you can make changes to your plate. You can also change the angle of the identity plate. So if you want to rotate it, you can rotate it 90 degrees, 180, and -90. So that's what 90 degrees looks like. You can override the color of your identity plate text by placing a check mark here, double-clicking your color picker, and then selecting a new color. You can add your watermark to each image by placing a check mark in the watermarking checkbox, and then selecting the watermark you want to apply. So recall that we've created two, Watermark 1 and Watermark 1 Small. I'll go ahead and select Watermark 1 Small, and you'll see that it's added to the bottom left corner of each one of our images. If you want to make changes to any of your watermarks, simply click the Edit Watermarks item in the watermarking menu. So we've worked with this before. I'll just go ahead and close it down.